Kung hindi ka pa affiliate marketer ngayong 2025, die, napag-iiwanan ka na. Marami nang kumikita ng 5 to 6 digits a month habang nasa bahay lang. Hi everyone, it's Leah here and welcome back to my channel, VA Talks with Leah, where we talk about side hustles, freelancing, and being a virtual assistant. I've been a virtual assistant for 9 years, and as a single mom, I'm always on the lookout for legit ways to earn extra income. And affiliate marketing is one of my favorites. So, kung content creator ka, vlogger ka, or kahit beginner ka pa lang sa online earning world, affiliate marketing is definitely worth your time. So, simulan natin ang unang part ng video na to, which is setting expectations. Alam kong interesting yung title, catchy yung thumbnail, sana nga. Pero real talk lang tayo. It will take some time and effort para magka-resulta. Hindi ka agad kikita ng 100,000 pesos sa first month. And honestly, most people won't earn anything sa first and second month. Especially kung kakastart mo pa lang, at kulang ka pa sa followers or wala pang momentum. Kailangan mo munang makapasok sa TikTok Shop program at doon ka pa lang magsisimulang kumita. Diyan nagda-drop off yung 90% ng mga tao kasi gusto nila may sahod na agad bukas. Pero tandaan mo, pinagtatrabahuhan ito, hindi ito instant. Kailangan ng consistency, patience, at syempre, diskarte. Ano nga ba ang affiliate marketing? Ang affiliate marketing is when you promote products or services using a special link. And when someone clicks your link and buys, you earn a commission. Simple as that. Maraming klaseng affiliate programs kung saan pwede kayong mag-join. Merong e-commerce like Lazada, Shopee, Zalora. Meron ding tech tools like Canva, System.io, Bluehost. Meron ding learning platforms like Skillshare and Udemy at marami pang iba. Pero ngayon, focus lang tayo sa pinaka-trending, which is TikTok Affiliate Program. TikTok Affiliate Program. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Bakit ba trending na trending yan? It is a feature that allows sellers and content creators to earn commissions by promoting products on TikTok. And you can promote through short videos, lives, product showcases, and profile links. And halimbawa, dumaan sa FYP ng mga TikTok users yung video mo at nag-checkout sila dun sa yellow basket na nasa baba ng video mo, boom, may kita ka. All you need is to join, promote, and earn. So, kung gusto mong matutunan ng step-by-step paano mag-apply sa TikTok Affiliate Program at paano ka rin kikita, tapusin mo tong video na to until the end. You can promote TikTok products even if you don't own a store or even if you don't have products on hand. So, paano naman ako makakapag-promote? Wala nga akong products on hand. So, sasagutin natin yan mamaya. Okay? Relax ka lang. Paano nga maging TikTok affiliate? Ang kulit mo naman, ang dami mong sinasabi. So, ganito yon. Siyempre, kailangan nating mag-apply sa TikTok affiliate program kasi hindi naman lahat ay pwedeng maging affiliate. Siyempre, alamin muna natin ano ba yung mga requirements. Paano ka ma-approve as a TikTok affiliate marketer. So, una, dapat meron kang personal TikTok account. Siguro naman, meron kayong mga TikTok account kasi ang nanay ko nga kahit senior na, may TikTok pa or TikTok account na. May TikTok account. So, yon. At dapat, yung ginamit yung pangalan sa pagsa-sign up, yung sarili yung pangalan. At hindi nyo hiniram kung kani-kanino. Tapos, yung ginamit mo rin ay yung sarili mong valid ID at sarili mong mobile number. So, again, dapat po ay personal TikTok account at hindi business account or seller or TikTok seller account. And then, pangalawang requirement is dapat 18 years old and above. So, kung below 18 years old ka, hindi ka maa-approve kasi magsasubmit ka ng mga valid IDs as a proof na ikaw ay 18 years old and above. And pangatlo, dapat meron kang 600 followers and with at least one post within 28 days. So, paano kung wala pa akong 600 followers, hindi pala ako magiging affiliate marketer or hindi ako makakapag-promote sa TikTok. Sasagutin natin yan mamaya. Then last is, you should follow TikTok community guidelines. Ipapakita ko yung step by step, yung screenshot ng step by step procedure kung paano mag-apply. Una muna, i-open yung TikTok account nyo and then punta kayo sa profile nyo. Yung profile nyo, yung nasa lower right corner na human icon. And then, pag nakapunta na kayo sa profile nyo, i-click nyo yung sa taas, yung 3 lines na nasa upper right corner, yung 3 lines doon. And then, makikita nyo yung TikTok Studio, itap nyo yon. And then, sa loob ng studio, makikita nyo doon yung creator tools, analytics, and then under monetization, i-click nyo yung shop for creator. And then, hanapin nyo yung affiliate creator, require 600 followers na may nakalagay, tapos ay one recent post within 28 days. And then, tap apply now. And confirm you meet the criteria, 18 years old and above, and follows community guidelines. So, dun sa community guidelines, just click the link and you'll be redirected to the full FAQs, rules, and guidelines. It might take some time to get familiar with everything, but don't worry. You'll also learn a lot through your own experience. Tulad na nangyari sa akin. Lagi akong nababan kasi meron akong ginamit na words na prohibited or na against sa rules ni TikTok. Yon. And then, you'll see a message, thanks for applying. And then, TikTok will review your application within 7 days. Hintayin mo na lang yung approval notice. Okay, yung isa pang tanong is, paano kung wala pang 600 followers? Ibig sabihin, hindi ka pwedeng mag-apply sa TikTok affiliate program at hindi ka pwedeng kumita? Pwede pa rin. Mag-a-apply ka as a link share only creator. Ano ba tong link share only creator? Ito ay no followers required. Paano ako makakapag-apply? Same procedure din.
Pag tinap mo yung TikTok Shop for Creator, i-hit mo yung apply, di ba? Tapos, i-redirect ka agad sa ganyan. Sasabihin sa'yo na pwede ka na mag-share ng iyong first affiliate link. And then, pwede mo siyang i-share sa iyong mga social media account.
So, ito yung sagot na kahit wala ka pang 600 followers at wala kang hawak na products, ay pwede ka makapag-promote just by sharing the product links. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung difference ng dalawa. Etong nandito sa pinaka-left side, ito yung criteria, and then yung link share creator at affiliate creator. Yung link share creator, wala siyang followers requirement, while the affiliate creator should have 600 followers and above. Ways to earn, yung link share creator ay product link and campaign link. Yung creator affiliate, pwede silang mag-promote through short videos, lives, product links, or profile links. Hindi makakapag-request ng free sample products ang link share only creator, hindi katulad ng affiliate creator. Pwedeng mag-request ng free samples from the sellers. Yung access sa product showcase, pag link share creator or link share only creator ka, visible lang yun sa'yo. Pag affiliate creator, kita yon or naka-public view yon. So, kapag binisita ng mga TikTok users, yung profile mo, makikita agad nila yung product showcase mo. Ganito ang itsura niya. Ayan. So, pag tinignan nyo yung profile ko, makikita nyo agad yung product showcase ko at pwede kayong mag-browse doon at magtingin. Baka may magustuhan kayo at makapag-check out kayo. Partner with MCNs and sellers, hindi rin siya pwede sa share-only creator. Ang link share creator, hindi siya pwedeng mag-join sa campaign. Pero yung affiliate pwede. Access to affiliate center, pareho silang pwedeng makapag-access. Okay, another question. Paano kung dumami ang followers mo over time at umabot ka ng 600 followers and above? So, ang sagot dyan, automatic, mag-a-upgrade yung TikTok account mo to affiliate creator at ma-access mo na yung maraming ways para mas malaki yung kitain mo. So, yun lang, and I hope na may natutunan naman kayo sa video na to kahit papano. At malay nyo, mamaya, mas malaki pa yung kinikita nyo sa akin. Basta lang maging consistent kayo at maging masipag kayo. At pray lang para mas dumami pa yung benta nyo. Yun, benta natin pala. And in my next video, i-discuss ko or tuturuan ko kayo paano maglagay ng yellow basket sa inyong video. So, sa inyo, super. So, huwag kalimutan na i-subscribe ang aking channel kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga legit na ways to earn money online kahit nasa bahay ka lang.